Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we are comparing the super multi-coated Takumar and the Asahi Pentax-M 135mm 3.5. As always, I have already reviewed both of these lenses, so don't forget to check out the dedicated videos. Both lenses have metal bodies. The Takumar weighs 330 grams and the Pentax 280. The Takumar is 88 to 103 mm long, with an external diameter of 58 mm. The Pentax is 66 to 82 mm long, with an external diameter of 63 mm. Both have a 49 mm front thread, but only the Pentax has a built-in sun hood. The Takumar has 6 blades in the iris and a click aperture from f3.5 to f22 with half steps. The Pentax has 8 blades and a clicked aperture from f3.5 to f32 with half steps. The focus on ring turns 330 degrees on the Takumar and 240 degrees on the Pentax. It is textured on the Takumar and rubberized on the Pentax. Minimum focusing distance is 1.5 meters for both. The Takumar has an M42 mount and the Pentax has a Pentax-K mount. Sharpness is really close, yet both wide open and at f8, the Pentax is just a tiny bit sharper, but it also has a bit more chromatic aberration. Colors are slightly warmer on the Pentax, while contrast and saturation are very close. Specular highlights look almost identical to me. Flares and ghosting are very well controlled on both. These two lenses are very close, very similar, to the point that I feel it's mostly personal preference. So, let me know which one is your favorite, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!